Hello. We are Team 1 and we were assigned to create a website that helps farm owners monitor their poultry farms as well as provide access to important information about these farms to government agents. Today we will be showcasing how to use the Poultry FI website. There are two home pages to log into depending on whether you are a government agent or a farm owner. Firstly, to log in as a farm owner, your given username should end with the suffix at farm. After entering your information, click Login. When you log in, you will be directed to the corporation homepage. On the homepage, you will see different boxes corresponding to each of your farms. By clicking on one of the farm census type buttons inside each box, you will be able to view an average reading, depending on the month and year you chose from the filters. By clicking the arrow icon, you will be redirected to a page that displays more information about your farm. The page displays graphs for previous and live sensor readings, as well as possible predictions. Below you can see your map with the placement of your sensors. By clicking the outbound arrow, you will be redirected to a page that shows a bigger view of the map. The box next to the map displays the historical notifications for all the sensors. By clicking on Expenses and Production on your sidebar, you can view your expenses and your production by date. To report your expenses and production, you click the buttons that correspond to each action. You will be redirected to a page where you can report either your expenses or your production. By clicking on Calendar on your sidebar, you can view your events. Upcoming events will be displayed on the right column of the page. To view a day's events, simply click on the date. To add your event, you can press the Create Event button. You will then be redirected to a new page that allows you to add your events. We will log out now. To do so, click on the profile icon on your sidebar, then click Log Out. Now, if you want to log in as a government authority, make sure your given username ends in @gov. By doing so, you will be directed to the homepage of government authorities. Choose a corporation and a farm that you would like to monitor from the sidebar. Now, you can see previous sensor readings and chicken wellness under the box, Historical Data. You can see the alerts you sent under the box, Alerts, and chicken feed consumption under Farm Overview. You can filter historical data and farm overviews by date. By clicking Farm Overview on your sidebar, you will be directed to a new page filled with graphs, and by selecting one of the corporations and a farm on the sidebar you will be able to view previous alerts that you have sent to them. By clicking Historical Data on the sidebar, you will be redirected to a web page. By selecting one of the corporations and a farm on the sidebar you will be able to view the farm's egg production, number of chickens, a graph of the environmental conditions of the farm, as well as a live stream preview of the cameras located on the farms. All these categories can be filtered by month and year. By clicking the live stream view thumbnail, and by selecting one of the corporations and a farm on the sidebar, you will be able to view live footage of the selected farm, alongside snippets of previous recordings. Going back to the sidebar, by clicking the Alerts button, you will be directed to a page that showcases the history of all the alerts that were sent to all the corporations and farms that are listed, and a function where you can send a manual alert to a farm owner. Click on the Profile button on the sidebar to log out. Thank you for watching.